So today we're going to be learning about multiplication properties of exponents. In here, we have x to the second power times x to the third power. And over here, how it's written, since there's two purple x's, they're moved over to there. And then since there's x to the third power in green, there's 3 green x's there. And then you would count how many there are, and there are 5 x's, and it'd be x to the fifth power. And then over here, it's pretty much the same thing, and it's w to the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, to the seventh power. The rule is if the bases are the same, you leave the base how it is, and then the exponents you would add the exponents. Then over here, for this example, you would add a 1 here, so it would be y1 times y6 to the 6th power. And then it would be y, add those together, there's y to the 7th. And then here, it's the same, it would be x to the 11th power. And here, since there's a number here, the bases are the same, so you keep it the 4, and then it's 4 to the 4th power.
Okay, so you can add a 1 as the exponent, since there already isn't an exponent there. The bases are the same, so it stays as 4. Then you add the exponents together, so it would be 4 to the third power. Here the bases are the same, so it would be 5. You add the exponents, so it would be 5 to the 6th power.
So when multiplying, you add the exponents, but when there's a big number, you multiply, and the big number is the coefficient. So here, since they're different, you multiply 2 times 5, and that's 10, and then you still keep the variable, and then it's 4 times 4, or 4 plus 4, and that's 8. Then here, 6 times 5 is 30, r, and then you would add the 1 there, so it would be 30r to the third power. And then down here, we would multiply 6 times 2, which is 12, and to the 8th power.
Okay, so you can add the 1 in front of the k, since there is not a big number coefficient there already. You add an exponent in, so 6 times 1 is still 6, k to the third power. And then here, you multiply the numbers together, so it'll be 30a to the 7th power. Down here, you still add all of the exponents together, so it'll be x to the 7th power, or 5th power.